Breaking news coming in. Indian pharma major Dr. Reddy's Laboratories revealed that due to a cyber attack, it has isolated all data center services to take required preventive action. The company has said that it is anticipating all services to be up within 24 hours and do not foresee any major impact on their operations. That's the latest coming in. Dr. Reddy's revealing that due to cyber attack, it has isolated all data center services to take required preventive actions. Ashish is joining us with the very latest. Ashish, what happened here?
Suchati, it's a major cyber attack on Hyderabad headquarters Dr. Reddy's lab. Remember, Dr. Reddy's has several plants spread across Brazil, United States, United Kingdom, Russia and India, and now the company which got approval for phase 2 and phase 3 trials, coronavirus trials, Russian vaccine trial, have now suffered a major cyber attack. In this cyber attack, the company was forced to shut down all of its key manufacturing plant. This is significant, and it can be called one of the major cyber attack on any of the Indian company in recent time. This attack has forced Dr. Reddy to shut down production on its all major manufacturing plants. Remember, Dr. Reddy is conducting phase 2 and phase 3 trials for Russian Sputnik drug here in India, and it has got approval from the government, and it is conducting trials for phase 2 and phase 3 trials in India. But now this particular cyber attack has forced Hyderabad headquarters company, which is one of the leading drug manufacturer and in fact exporter of drug to the globe, to shut down its manufacturing plants.
Thanks so much, Ashish, for getting us up to speed with the very latest on this particular story.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.